Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan 650S. This bike has ABS and has just over 2,000 miles on it and is still in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. This bike is all stock. And like I said, it comes with the ABS. Tires appear to be in good shape. Service will make sure that they still are. It does come with the factory solo setup, so no passenger seat, no passenger pegs. Rear tire as well still looks to be in good shape, but service will make sure that it is. Really nice and clean. All right, show you those miles now. $2,073 is what's on it. This 2015 Vulcan 650S will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, your accessories for it. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.